And this is a church over there. Come on, actually, let's see it from outside, okay? Or maybe we can, let's see it from inside too. Why not? Tirana, let's go. It's so hot, man. It's so hot. I'm not complaining, by the way. The heat is something I love, you know? There it is. The church. Come on, let's cross. Try go in. Even though the sign that says exit. Can we cross? Oh yeah, let's go here. There it is. Oh wow. It's actually really deep inside. So it's a long church all the way. Oh damn it, like I'm wearing shorts, like they're not gonna let me. Can I go in? Oh yeah? Ah, perfect. Ah. Can I go in? Ah. I'm not sure about the rules. I've been to a lot of cathedrals and churches, but this is quite nice, to be fair, you know? But we're gonna keep our voices down. We don't want to disturb it, you know, the prayers. But let's get over to the end there. Look at the size of that fan. Wow. Wow. Yeah, I think like there's probably like a wedding going on, isn't it? Like these are like the two chairs here. There's a mic. There are some people I noticed that they are dressed up for an event. So there could be a wedding. But this is absolutely gorgeous, to be fair, like, you know. Beautiful. Very nice. Look at the roof here. Amazing. But I don't want to exit from the same way where I came. I'm gonna actually exit, if possible, on the side. This is this way here. Because I came from there, right? Let's exit different way. Because this way we can see there's an exit sign there. But what is this here? Is this like tombs, isn't it? Yeah. Oh man, this is actually tombs, yeah. Look, you can see the names of the dead people. Wow. Interesting find. Like, I like to go into random places like this. It's usually the same thing. Like, I don't expect to go into a cathedral is going to be different than any other cathedrals that I've been to, but from inside would be different, of course. But this one was interesting, actually. I've never seen this before. The tombs, you know. All right, let's exit.